Negligence cases aren't always neat and tidy. Sometimes multiple acts or events combine to create a domino effect that eventually leads to the plaintiff's injury. Under what circumstances is a defendant, who figuratively pushes the first domino, to blame? A New York court addressed this question in Laureano v. Louzoun. Virginia Laureano lived in an apartment she rented from Gilbert Louzoun. The boiler in the building wasn't working, so there was no heat or hot water. Seeking heat early one cold winter morning, Laureano boiled 2 large pots of water. She attempted to pour one pot of water into the other, but accidentally banged them together, spilling boiling water on her knee and foot. Laureano subsequently sued Louzoun for negligence, claiming his failures to maintain the boiler and heat the building caused her burns. Louzoun moved for summary judgment, arguing that he didn't proximately cause Laureano's injury. The trial court ruled for Louzoun. Laureano then appealed to the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division.